Alright guys, so I'm showing you to reconnect the remote to your Samsung TV. Just for example, it might be giving you issues and you want to resync it. This is pretty easy, so first just turn on your TV. To turn this on, you can press the button underneath your Samsung logo. Press the button underneath it. Now once it's on, what are you going to do? Now on the remote, so you're going to hold two buttons. Hold down both the back button and the play pause. Hold at the same time for about 5 seconds. Once again, the back button, play pause. When it starts connecting, let go. There you go. If nothing happens, you may need to change the batteries. There you go, pairing complete. From here it should work. Thanks for watching guys, hope this helped out.